Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you an editing plugin that I use that saves me like hours of editing. Using this plugin, you'll be able to copy and paste images inside After Effects and Premiere Pro. Just copy the image and paste it inside the software. No save to folder and drag it into the software. Just copy and paste with just few seconds. And I'll walk you through how you can install it and get it into Premiere Pro and After Effects and how they work and what are the issues that you will face and how you can fix them. If you are an editor and want to improve your edits, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I currently giving my editing projects that you can use and customize for your editing, like talking head videos and a lot of motion graphics and all of these things. So check the link in the description to go to these projects and see which one worth to invest and buy it, and you can reuse it for your editing after that. Let's get on the screen and see how we can make it. First, this is the plugin here. You will go to this website and I will leave this in the description. Download the plugin from here. As you see, I'm on a free plan, so you can just make an account into this website, which is plug and play, and that's it. After that, make sure you close the Premiere Pro and After Effects. And now this is a plugin here. As you can see, this is ZXP. Download the ZXP installer, which is free and very easy to install, and I'll leave the link for the comments. Just open it and drag this inside the ZXP installer. Once you drag it here, you will say you're about to install the copypasta. Yes, or install. Yeah, and it was successfully installed. That's it, guys. Let's open Premiere Pro and see how it will work. The problem you will face into this plugin, which is every time you will be asked for a license. And the way to make it, just click here and you will have to add the license key. So the way to get it, just go to your account, details here, and as you can see, I'm on a free plan. So just copy this license like this, just paste it, submit, and to start working. Now let's say you are getting like any graphic from any website or something like Grid. Now what you will make is just right click, copy image, and go to Premiere Pro and just paste. Once you paste it, it will be dragged into the software in seconds. And now you have all the access. Okay, let's copy this like this. Now let's open the plugin, go to window extensions and copy pasta, and now you can paste it. Once you paste it, you will find it made like new composition from the what you paste. So if you are in different composition like this, you have to go back to this composition you're working on and drag the image. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's it's simple but saves you in the long term. It will save you hours of editing. If you have any questions about video editing, make a comment below and I'll make a video explaining what you are asking about.